Hey all, bonus recording. I was just finishing up that last recording for the Blinkin' Lights Club, and my wife brought in some mail that was delivered today. This is a box from the Computer Science Teachers Association conference. Last year, because of COVID, they moved the conference virtual, and they had such success in terms of attendee numbers, they're deciding to run it virtually moving forward. I don't know if that'll be true for regional conferences, but it's true for the national conference, and is at least true for this year. So this is my swag box for the virtual conference 2021. I got as far as breaking the seal on the tape, and before I opened it realized I should do an unboxing on this. If you're going to be at the conference, I hope to see you there. I'm presenting a couple of different things. And if you're not at the conference this year, maybe this will inspire you to join and come. So let's see what's in this thing. Okay, we got a welcome card. Conference schedule. I can keep notes on what I'm attending. CSTA standards document. Okay. Social media content. Oh, can I enter that? Oh, to enter, post a photo of your CST swag on Twitter, Instagram. Okay, there we go. See, I'm prescient. I didn't get a swag box last year. I signed up too late, so this makes up for that. And a bingo card. 2 bingo cards. Are they the same? Yes, they appear to be the same. I hope that is randomly generated enough that other people have different bingo cards. That's kind of the point of bingo. Okay, let's see what we get. Ooh, a zoom ring light. That's well, that's kind of unexpected that there's actually stuff of some kind of value in this. I'll actually put that to use right away. That's pretty cool. Some putty. Ooh, an excellent sticker. You always need a sticker for your laptop. Earbuds. They look very original Apple AirPod. Come on, they have to be a knockoff. They can't be. I mean, I have a couple pairs of something like this already, but this is that's going to be re-gifted to the kids like at the end of this recording. That is awesome. Oh, yeah, just what I need. More fuzz in the house. A nice Minecraft sticker.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Popcorn. Okay. I wonder if some of this stuff will have something to do with any games or keynotes or anything people are doing. Deck of cards. That is always useful. In fact, I have stuff in my talk I could use a deck of cards with. Stickers? I'm not sure. Glasses. A nice water bottle. Oh, very nice. Thermos bottle. That'll keep my coffee hot as I go from my kitchen to my desk here at home. Twilio Quest sticker. I presume I'll know what that is at the conference. Replit CSTA, all some excellent stickers. A CSTA button. And I know I'm not being cynical about the stickers. Stickers are really useful because in the circles I run in, everybody has the same laptop, and stickers are the way you can identify your own at a glance. A very nice moleskin book. Wow. In fact, that's not moleskin. That's like a neoprene rubber kind of thing. That's nice. And a speaker. Yeah, a little Bluetooth speaker. That is really nice. How do you charge it? Oh, there we go. It charges with a little USB adapter. Awesome. And a shirt. I will have to wear this in one of my upcoming videos for the Blinking Lights Club and enter that contest. So there we go. A quite unexpected, awesome swag box from the conference. Anything else in there? A pen. There we go. All the experience of being there without the travel. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, CSTA. I cannot wait for this. This was such a blast in the last year. To actually be, prepared with some skin in the game for it this year is going to be quite thrilling. I look forward to seeing you there.